everybody, how are you? How is your English learning going on? I haven't been online for a long time because I had some problems, some reasons for taking new videos for you. But after a long time, maybe after 3 months, I am here again and I have come with new topic for you. And by the way, I have missed my channel, I have missed my subscribers and your comments. Because I really get lots of comments every day from you, and these comments really make me happy, motivate me a lot. Thank you, really. I appreciate it, and I'm so happy that you haven't forgotten me. So guys, for today I have come with new topic which is not very clear for lots of English learners. And just come closer and let's get started. Today I am going to talk about the ways of using would in English, how to use and where to use it, and what meanings does it have. Let's talk about it. Firstly, I would like to talk about the ways of using would like in English, and again, how to use and where to use it. Would like in English, it's used for making offers. For example, would you like some tea? Or would you like to join me? And also would means want. You can use would instead of want. For example, I would like to go there, or I want to go there, or I would like to buy a new phone, or I want to buy a new phone. About meaning, there is no any difference between them, but you can use want when you are talking with your friends or with your family and etc. But if you want to be more polite or if you want to be more formal, you should use would like instead of want. For example, you are in some place or in an office or which demands being more formal, you should use would like, not want. Also, sometimes we can use would instead of could, but how to use it and what's the difference between them? Let's make it clear. For example, would you open the door, or could you come here for a minute? And the meanings are the same. There is no any difference between them. But you can use would for making requests, and you can use would instead of could when you're sure that you can do it for me or not. But we use could when we are not sure that you can do it for me or not. And also for making requests, we can use would you mind. But in the sentence, when we use would you mind, after would you mind, we have to use verb with ing. It means that would you mind demands the verb with ing. Let's make it clear. For example, would you mind getting me some sandwiches? As you see here, we used getting, not get. It means that we cannot use here the verb without ing. Also, we can use would when we are talking about imaginary or unreal situations. For example, what would you do if you could read the people's thoughts? It means that it's unreal situation or it's imaginary situation because no one can read the people's thoughts, right? And that's why we used here would. And also would is used as a past version of will. Will and would can have the same meaning about refusing to do something. For example, I'll tell her to work with me, but she won't agree. Or I told her to work with me, but she wouldn't agree. As you see here, she refused to work with me. And also, it's not just true about situations, also it's true about the things. For example, the computer wouldn't work when I needed it. It means that computer refused to work. There is also one more way of using would in English. Would is also used when we are talking about repeated actions or habits. It means that would is used when we are talking about the things that we did in the past but we don't do now. For example, when I was a student, I would go to the cinema every Sunday with my friends. And here would is similar to used to, but there is one little difference between them, because we cannot use would with state verbs. For example, live, like, love, and etc. For example, you cannot say I would live in Canada when I was a student. You should say I used to live in Canada when I was a student, because live is not an action, it is state verb. So guys, that's all for today. For today, we have learned lots of ways of using would in English, and I hope you will like my video. If you have any questions or suggestions, just drop your comments below, and don't forget to put your likes in my video. See you in the next videos.